Welcome back to my garden. Yeah, there's nothing much to see here. So let's go to the greenhouse instead. There's something to see in here. Those are some Hungarian wax and sweet banana peppers that I had them in pots throughout the summer, so I thought I'd put them here and see what happens. They seem to be doing okay. I'm not expecting much from them. All the parsley that I transplanted from the garden is growing very well though. Another one in here. I have, these are Merveilles des Quatre Saisons, Marvels of the Four Season lettuce. I already trimmed them. I had a salad with them, but they keep growing. This is my jalapeno pepper plant. I think I might trim that one back, but he's got new growth on him, so I might just leave him. And one lone jalapeno. The citrus plants that we all started from store-bought fruit seeds, they hit and miss with them. Their leaves discolor. Some days they look better than others, but you know what? We don't ever think these plants will do much. They're just very beautiful plants, and we put a lot of time in growing them, so we still keep them. I'll get to those two later. These are some iceberg lettuce. They haven't quite formed any heads yet, but the leaves are just beautiful on them. And that's another parsley that it's growing. I'm gonna have to trim this one back and dry it out very soon, I think. A couple more pots of pepper plants that see if they're gonna regrow. But these babies, look at my tomato plants I have in here. They are gorgeous. This guy. There's 4 plants here. They all have the start of flowers. This one has flowers. I keep giving him a shake because, you know, there's no air in here, there's no wind. So I just want them to like try and pollinate, maybe get a tomato. But these are what I'm most proud of in the greenhouse. Just beautiful. So anyway, I'll keep you posted in January about what's going on further, because it hasn't been really cold yet. And sorry, I'm just trying to close my greenhouse up. And I really want to see how they react when it gets nice and cold. I still think the garden looks really nice, even though there's nothing in it. Well, that's all for now. I'm going into my kitchen. I'm gonna make some chocolate something or other. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you soon.